Welcome back, Rockets. Remember, we are respectful, responsible, and safe. We listen, negotiate, support, and value people's time. I heard a lot of good things going on yesterday when I talked to families, and my expectation is the same. So, quick review right here. We were talking about points yesterday. Do that fist for point. We talked about lines. They keep going in both directions. We talked about line segment. Stop, stop. We also talked about array. It keeps going in one direction and stops in the other. Array, it stops in one direction and goes in the other. And that stop is that endpoint. And we talked about that and did some things on yesterday. All right. So now on your paper, sorry, you should have had that out already. I need for you to draw what I have up here. Draw what I have up here. I have a line that is going horizontal. Draw that horizontal line for me. Okay. Then I've got another one here. Right there. Doesn't have to be perfect. Up. And then I have another that's going over at an angle. So go ahead and get that drawn. If you need to stop the video for a minute and do it, go ahead. So while you're drawing, I'm going to put some points on here. So I'm going to put a point right here. And I'm going to put a point right here on there. Go ahead and do that for me. Got a point right here and a point right there. I also want to put a point right here. Make sure you're doing it. And another point right here. So you should have 1, 2, 3, 4 points. So I'm going to call this point G, this point E, this point K, and that point L. I'm looking. All right. Pause if you need to get caught up with me. So I'm wondering if you see any rays in here. If you see a ray, keeps going in one direction and stops in the other. Do you see any rays there? I'm looking right here. Keeps going. Keeps going, stop. Right. So I have ray K G right here, right there. I wonder if you see another ray here. Stop and think and look at it. Here. I bet you somebody's thinking that this is a line. But I'm looking for a ray. Keeps going, stop. Is that a ray? So I have ray L E. Notice how I drew my ray on the top and then wrote my letters. So I'm showing it. I wonder what I would call GE. I wonder what I would call GE. I wonder what I could call GE. Well, wait a minute. Look at where GE is right here. In between those two like that. I wonder. Could I call GE a line segment? Stop. GE. Makes sense? Stop and think about it for just a moment. Okay? If you need to stop and come back, I'm going to switch it up on you. You know I'm full of tricks. line segment MP. I gave you points and told you I want a line segment now. So that means I've got to draw it out. So remember, let's go back to our line segment. Stop, stop, line segment. Stop, stop, line segment. So I'm going to draw my line. Stop, stop. What is this point? If you said M, I agree with you. What would this one be? If you said P, I also agree with you. So it said line segment MP, and I drew it MP, line segment. Make sure you get it on your paper. Okay. What is this on top? Ray, line segment or line. Keeps going in both directions. Draw it on your own. Draw it on your own. Well, if you agree that I have a line, according to that, keeps going in both directions. How many points do I need? Point 1, point 2, point RS, line RS. Let's try one more. Do it on your own. Try it on your own. Make sure you have it in your notes. Did you say that was a line or did you say that was a ray? Keeps going and stop. So ray, L, M. Making sense? Now, if you were out driving around and you saw all these signs, street signs, which one of these street signs would look mostly like a ray? Would it be the street sign that looks like that and said no parking? Would it be the street sign that looked like this and said one way? Would it be the street sign that looked like this and said only? Which one looks most like a ray? Remember what a ray looks like. Keeps going in one direction and stops in the other. Kind of curved. What can I kick out right away? I know you were thinking that, but this one has kind of a curve. Does that count? Like that? Which one best looks like a ray? I think I agree with you. All right, this is all we're going to do for today, but I want to remind you of something very quickly. If I take a ray and another ray and put them together, I get an angle. Two rays come together to make an angle. So we're going to say our body is our point, and now I've got an angle because I put those two rays together. Keep practicing. Talk to you tomorrow.